Hey there! Samyara here from Samyara's Den, where Sam and I explore various recipes for everyday you. So it's mango season in Hyderabad. And it's time to make our famous mango jam. I remember my mom making different types of jams at home since my childhood. She used to make apple jam, strawberry jam, raspberry jam, pear jam. It's just to name a few. With so many mangoes in the market, I was wondering whether I could make mango jam. And yes, we can. And this is the recipe that I used. So for my recipe, I used 1 kilo of mango pulp, 800 grams of sugar, the juice of 4 limes, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. Don't forget to prepare your mango pulp beforehand. For this, you need to peel your mangoes, chop them, dice them, and puree them. You can either use a hand blender or a food processor to puree them. And make sure that the mangoes you use are not fibrous. I usually prefer using Baiganpalli mangoes, but you can also use Alfonso, Himayat, Langda, or any other non-fibrous mango. If you are using a fibrous mango like Rasalu, make sure to squeeze the pulp out nicely and remove any fibrous strands. Just like any other jam recipe, we are going to combine all these ingredients together and boil it on the stove for about an hour. Let's go! Just remember that the ratio of fruit to sugar should be of equal proportions when you are making jam. For instance, if you want to make an apple jam, combine equal weights of apple and sugar and boil the mixture on the medium to low flame for an hour. The same goes for any berry. In my case, I reduced sugar in my recipe because these mangoes already have a high sugar content. After boiling for an hour, our jam is ready. By the way, this jam is quite versatile. You can use it as a mango concentrate for your summer drinks. You can also use it as a filling for some of your pastries. For example, last year, I actually used it as the filling for my shop pastries that I made. And you can also use it as the topping for a cheesecake. But for now, I'm going to use my mango jam with a slice of my sourdough bread. bellissimo. I hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tap the bell notification to stay up to date on Samyara's Den. This is Dilyara from Samyara's Den, signing off.